So I'm changing the compensator on this Dyna. My Dyna. Piece of shit Dyna. So red Loctite on that bolt. I already got the new compensator in there. That was in the sprocket. Those are these two pieces. And the sprocket too. And I got the spring pack. We go in that bitch. Tecnologia. Let me take that fucking red Loctite bolt, get it up in there. Make sure you're only using snap-on tools, it's just not gonna work. And we gotta put the tensioner back in. There we go. Tensioner. Go, folks. All right, back. All right, 24 foot-pounds of torque for the tensioner. £104. Then loosen that bitch. And then 175. Pretty tight shit. I don't recommend the rubber block. Get the right tool. $170. $175. Whew! Got a new gasket on the primary here. 2 bolts to line it up in its place.
Gotta use the foot too.
Gotta use the foot technique. Yes, sir.
Seriously, if you don't talk them one way or the other, you fuck.
Yep.
I learned that from the 77. I rebuilt the fucking the top end every fucking summer for 4 years because there was something wrong with the lower.
Damn.
And I didn't want to split the case.
Yeah.
Because it's an animal of a fucking project. And really, if you don't know what you're doing in those 40s, you make a mess of it. So I was trying to avoid it. But I couldn't avoid it, so I finally did. And I learned that about that, the importance of that.
Yeah.
Because I cased nothing but fucking case leaks for like another 2 years.
That was legendary.